Encompass Day 2024 is co-sponsored by American Vulcan Lock Ring Connectors, the Easy Stock app, and I also want to thank our vendors.
What can you expect after Encompass Day? Definitely people hungry to learn more and go put into action what they learned today. They were able to learn if they're known for, it's the same thing that what they want to be known for.
Huge shout out and thank you for Encompass Day for inviting us and letting us come out and be a co-sponsor. Had a ton of fun out here doing some classes, teaching lock ring theory and application to the folks who got to come out and hang out. We're doing a couple great giveaways. Please check out the lock ring knowledge base at lockringtech.vulcanusa.com.
And we are here to give some education around how to use the products properly. And so this morning I taught a class for the first time at this event, and it was very engaging. I was very impressed by the attendance and the interaction by the technicians to be able to understand exactly what perspectives they need to tell the consumer how to use our products properly and how our products should be used within the machines.
Encompass Day has been a fantastic opportunity. I have met with so many technicians, so many business owners and professionals that are here to collaborate and network. I've already made a few friends, and so it's been a really fulfilling experience, and it's allowed me to help reach more technicians that might need the help that we have to offer.
Jason and Shayna here with my office help. We are a proud sponsor of Encompass Day, and we are very thankful to be here.
Yeah, it's incredible to see all the training that goes on here, just that happens in one day. So all the friendships and the networking that you get to do, the great training that you get from tons of different people. So Encompass Day, you gotta check it out. Go to encompass.com, go to the little training icon and get registered for the next one. It's a great day of training. So thanks for letting us be part of it.
Change bins and you can create a truck.
Very much believe Encompass Days worked well, and a tremendous amount of customer clients have gained quite a bit of knowledge today.